Hi everyone, it's me Solomon here. So I'll be talking about the biggest black hole. So hey, losing road. Oh God, you're kidding me. So I'm just showing you the sky, the stars. If I zoom in here, you can see a star. Hey, I wonder where the moon could be. Don't say. Okay, so there's a thing. So you know the biggest black hole in the universe, right? Or that we know of, like, well, if you don't know, it's like enormous, bigger than some galaxies, only some, like the smaller ones. And there's this thing, called, and you know the thing is, every time before, a black hole becomes a black hole, they are a star. So the biggest black hole in the universe was a star, must have been bigger than way more galaxies. And how a black hole forms, it has to be a big star, like enormous. Like our sun is not big enough. So what happens, the star, I forget, it either or gets enormous and then gets compact, and it's so tightly it becomes a black hole, or just have the star going in, and once it gets so compressed it becomes a black hole. So because the same density is getting squeezed to a super small in a way too small area, so it becomes a black hole. And when that, there are a few different types of black holes, but anyways, and so just wait, I'll just pause this. I'll be right back. Okay, that's all of it. So we're most definitely know if the Earth is way too small to become a black hole, but if it's saying crusted it so into a black hole, it would be the size of an ice cube to be a black hole. But the thing is, all black holes, I'm pretty sure smaller the more stronger. Well, or is it bigger than more strong? I forget. Anyways, what I'm saying is, so when this big black hole that we know of was a star is so big, it's bigger than many galaxies. And if you put that in the solar system, it will probably actually swallow most of the Milky Way, a lot of it, a big chunk. And how far the Earth would have to be to be safe in the habitable zone, it would still be so far away. It would probably life would be still burning hot in the summer, and full orbit would probably be a few million years. I don't know, but a long time. A season would be thousands of years. I bet they would, if birthdays would literally have to, days would be the same. So probably have every certain amount. I don't know. If our planet was begin like that, no one would actually know that proper her amount is 365 days. But anyways, when is that star actually bigger the star, less lifespan there is, and that means that star probably didn't get that big of a lifespan. I don't know, it's probably around maybe a few million, 1 billion, A few 100 million, tens of millions, I don't know. Maybe even thousands. I don't know. But anyways, when it got compressed and turned into a black hole, must got pushed so hard it became a black hole. Same density too. And like maybe this tower was smaller because when black holes consume stuff, they become bigger. Just like a little bit. Depends on the item, how big the thing is. If it's like a whole star or planet, it would go like even bigger than if it just swallowed an asteroid, like a small one. Like maybe like for them, like the smallest asteroid in the asteroid belt, it would barely grow. Probably wouldn't even grow at all. Like maybe like so small, like it's not noticeable. Like if you had a cup of water and pretend it is like if you put something in like super small, like just like a dust particle, it would still rise, but so small like it wouldn't even be noticeable. Like, but if you put a bunch in, it would start to be noticeable. So anyways, like the black hole probably could have been smaller, but it got bigger over time. Like because like it swallowed stuff. So like, and also don't forget to like and subscribe. Like so it could have been like the star could have been a little smaller, and like when it became a black hole, it got like bigger over time. Yeah, so and pretty good. I've not ever seen anybody talking about it before. Anyway, now I say I'll just maybe show you some of the cool stuff in Northern Lights. Northern Lights. That's that. So everybody, there's some Northern Lights. Let me get a better view. Let me try again. Every time. That's that, everybody. Cool, hey. So, okay guys, I was just telling my mom about the Northern Lights. Pretty cool, actually. Like, you don't see those every day. Well, in some places in the world, like North Pole or was it the South Pole, I forgot. You probably actually will, like, or at least almost. But I don't see them often in person. I'll just try and get one more time. Why is black out like that? I know the problem. So they're northern lights, so it's harder to see on camera. But if you look just right, you can see them like a little blurry because like phones, like it's harder to see them. Hey, I think yeah, some of the stars are kind of like, there's a bunch of stars out. Pretty cool, hey? Let's just, so like, this is definitely a good night. Oh, y'all became me mosquitoes. Yeah, anyway, So these are just mosquitoes bothering me. So and that's why I talk about the black holes inside northern and the northern lights and stars. Pretty cool. Too bad you can't see it, but if you by the time this is posted, the northern lights will still be out. So if you live in Tisdale or nearby, you probably will actually be able to see them. The northern lights, and they're going to get less visible by the second. But anyway, so bye. See you in the next video. Bye.